copycat.
Yo, fellas.
Ow. Yeah. Guess what? It's my birthday.
No one cares.
I do. Look, I just got a birthday text. It says.
Get on with it.
Hope you die on your birthday.
Freak out. Don't freak out.
I get hate death threats a lot from my boss, my manager, my other boss, my lawyer, and oh yeah, my mom. Let me see. I'll do something about it. This says, I hope you have pie on your birthday.
Sorry. I'm dyslexic.